Serene country setting, this modern home beckons with its inviting open floor plan. Discover a seamless blend of living, dining, and kitchen areas adorned with gleaming hardwood floors. Large windows with natural light, offering picturesque views of wooded surroundings. The well-appointed kitchen boasts a central island, providing both functionality and style. On the main level, 3 bedrooms offer comfort and convenience, including a bedroom with an attached bath for added privacy. A full hallway bath serves guests and residents alike. Descend to the lower level, where full egress windows invite in more light. Generously sized family room awaits, featuring rustic beam ceilings and a cozy wood-burning fireplace with a striking mantel spanning an entire wall. An additional full bathroom, a sizable bedroom with double closets and a laundry/utility room round out the basement space. Noteworthy, on-demand hot water system, an attached 2-car garage, and updated electrical service. Recent upgrades include a new washer, dryer, and refrigerator. The private yard provides a retreat while the meticulously maintained deck offers ample space for outdoor gatherings,